We made a big decision to renovate our kitchen during the pandemic. While I've got much better organization now, I also made sure to add some smart technology. I'm Erin from techgadgetscanada.com, and I've really been wanting to install a smart faucet, specifically the U by Moen smart faucet. Why? 2 words. Voice control. This faucet, when combined with a Google or Alexa smart speaker or digital assistant, lets you do things like ask for precise measurements of water, specific temperatures, or a combination of each. I've had this faucet in for a couple of weeks, and I'm going to tell you what it's like to use in my hands-on review. An early heads up, if you end up liking this video and finding it helpful, to please hit that like button and do subscribe, since it does help me keep making more videos that I hope everyone out there gets to watch, enjoy, and learn from.
So what's this device all about? The U by Moen Smart Faucet is a smart, connected faucet that offers touchless control. This one-handled model is called Essie, and that just refers to the design of the faucet itself. It has a pull-down head with a hose, so you can rinse with a bit more precision, and this model also has what Moen says is an aerated stream for everyday cleaning, plus a couple of different options for the spray head. There is a boosted rinse, boosted stream, and more powerful options for heavy-duty cleaning.
The reason why you're likely looking to buy a faucet like this isn't for that kind of standard stuff, it's for this. Alexa, tell Moen to turn water on. This tap and your smart speaker combine to give you things like precision measurements and temperature control too, just by you asking. Alexa, tell Moen to stop.
Tell Moen to dispense 1 cup of water. The possibilities for this are many. It's handy for baking. You can easily make a cup of tea, fill the baby bottle or the dog dish, watering can, coffee pot, and more without running the tap for too long and without wasting water, and without needing to stand there holding the thing, waiting for the water to warm or fill up.
There is a very important component of this tap that you do need to know about, and that's that it needs power.
You've got 2 options for that. It takes batteries and 6 D cells to be exact, but there's also an optional AC adapter you can buy if you want to get more reliable power. Since we were renovating, we made sure to have power installed under the sink and opted to plug it in using the battery as a backup.
If you're using the batteries as your main power source, Moen says you can expect the battery pack to last up to 2 years. Now, while a DIY installation of this tap is definitely possible, and I can and have installed a smart tap like this one before, we did have our contractor do this for us as part of our renovation.
With the tap installed, you'll get things set up using the Moen app. You'll need to create or log into an account, and then you'll press the small reset button on the control box under the sink to put it into pairing mode. A small LED light on the tap will blink to confirm. From there, go to your phone's Wi-Fi settings and connect to the Moen faucet you should see there. Seconds later, a green light should confirm you're connected. I was ready to go in minutes. The faucet will run a series of tests to help you set up some parameters. It'll run the water, turn it on and off, and adjust the temperature.
Let's dig in on how to use this faucet. At its most basic, the faucet can be used with the handle.
There's also a motion sensor on the top curve of the handle for hands-free use. The responsiveness of the sensor is really good, and a small LED light will actually show you the water temperature using color at a glance.
I actually really like the placement of the motion sensor. In my old faucet, it was on the bottom front here, but having it on top means it doesn't get triggered if you're just putting something into the sink, for example.
Voice control, though, is the biggie in this tap. You'll need a separate smart speaker or digital assistant device to use it, and it helps a lot if that device is located near the tap.
Okay, getting Moen. Running kitchen faucet.
U by Moen works with both Google and Alexa. With Google, you need to use the key phrase ask Moen, not tell or get Moen to. So
Google.
You'd say, okay G, ask Moen to dispense 1 cup of water. If you're having any issues with the Google Assistant, it might be in how you're asking for those commands. The tips section inside the app can actually help give you guidance on how to speak to your faucet. Next, I tried linking Alexa, and that worked also. Since I have the Amazon Echo Show 10 3rd generation here in the kitchen, that's the assistant I went with mainly, but you can use almost any device that's well within earshot of your kitchen sink. Let's get a look at some of what you can do with a voice assistant and You by Moen.
Ask Moen to turn on.
You can simply ask for the tap to be turned on or off, and the response time is fairly quick, though there is maybe a split second of lag, which you easily get used to and adjust
Ask
for.
Moen to dispense 1 cup of water.
You can ask the faucet to do the measuring for you. I double-checked the measurements of water against my measuring cups and spoons, and as you can see here, they were accurate.
Ask Moen to dispense 1 1/4 cups of water at 98 degrees.
First, I wait on the water to temperature. Wait for the water to stop. When the light is solid, you can wave over sensor for 1 1/4 cups of water at 98 degrees.
I also tested out the temperature measurements, and while they're limited to some extent by how hot you allow your water heater to make the water, I found the temperatures were accurate also.
You can also create custom presets. I created a preset to fill the dog's water dish, another for the coffee pot, one for the watering can, and another to fill up my filter water pitcher.
When creating your presets, you also have the ability to customize them. With the dog water, for example, I wanted it to be cold, so the faucet will run the water till it's cool, then stop. Then I wave my hand over the sensor and it will dispense just the right amount. Inside the Moen app, you also have the ability to control the highest temperature too, as well as adjust a bunch of other settings.
My husband loved using the tap to dispense the exact amount of water needed for his morning oatmeal without needing to get out a measuring cup. But this device also has some other features too. You can ask Moen to wash your hands and it'll turn the water on to wet your hands, pause for 20 seconds while you soap up and scrub, then turn on again to rinse. Finally, you can also monitor your water usage with the app so you can see how much water you're using.
When the light is solid, wave over sensor to dispense 39.3 ounces now.
Overall, I really love this tap. The voice control with Alexa and Google works amazingly well, though as I noted earlier, you do need to make your voice commands very specific.
I really love the convenience of calling out measurements or adjusting water temperature just using my voice. I found the You by Moen Faucet is really accurate too. I'm really glad we added it to our new kitchen here, and I would definitely recommend it for your evolving smart home.
The biggest downside is, yes, there is a delay from ask to action when using a voice assistant. You do get used to it, and there's no real delay with motion sensing or manual use though.
You by Moen Smart Faucet sells starting in about the $600 Canadian or $400 US range, depending on the model you choose, and you can get it from places like Amazon or home improvement stores. If you want to read this review or reference any of what I've talked about, head over to techgadgetscanada.com where I've got a full write-up posted. You can ask me any questions you have about this faucet, either there on the blog or, as always, here on the YouTube channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Erin. Until the next time you can find me on either Twitter or Instagram, I'm at ErinLYYC. You can also always catch me on Facebook at facebook.com/techgadgetscanada.